Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my take on the third Doctor made out of Lego. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, the legs come from this scuba diver. The torso comes from this wizard minifigure. The cape I used comes from Moff Gideon. The head comes from Newt Scamander. And finally, the hair and the hands come from Ben Kenobi. Building it correctly should result in a minifigure that looks like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build the minifigure. Overall, I'm quite pleased with this minifigure, and I'd like to do some more Doctor Who customs in the near future. If you found this tutorial useful or entertaining, feel free to subscribe and like the video if you haven't done either of those already, and maybe leave an idea if you have one. If you want to know how to make the 11th Doctor from his first episode, I will put that on the end screen now for you, as well as my playlist.